Hi, I'm James. Welcome to Signature Puchong. Come on in. This showroom has been in Puchong for quite a while, I would say since 2011 if I'm not wrong. So in that long amount of time, we've been servicing the entire Puchong area and any surrounding regions as well. It's quite well known in this area. People know where this Signature Puchong is, and even if they've never come here before, they have seen our somewhat iconic shop front because it's facing the main road. It's quite easy to find, and we are in the newer developing area of Puchong. So that's the history of our place over here. So when our customers come in, the first thing that they always look for is our signature spray paint, which is what we call super matte spray paint. Because commonly when you see kitchen cabinets outside, they always provide normal MFC kitchens and without anything special. But for us over here, our best seller is actually our super matte spray paint. It's sprayed with our machines that are imported from Italy. So over here you can see that it's almost impossible for you to see any glossy surface. And at the same time, we also have a lot of accessories that we can mix and match into the customer's kitchen requirements over here. And then towards here, another big feature for Signature Kitchen is actually our internal carcass. Most internal carcasses that you see, they're all white. It's easy to stain. You can see a lot of scratches. So over here, this is one of Signature's biggest feature. We have our exclusive dark grey carcass. So it makes your whole kitchen look more premium and easily maintained as well. Our quartz is actually thicker than most outside, and at the same time, you can see we have this very shameful and sleek design. So it makes your whole kitchen look a bit more sleek and a bit thinner as well. Our handleless cabinets, we have our aluminium profile with 3 color selections, silver, black and gold, along with our skirting below, which is also aluminium. So those of you who want to wash your kitchen, it's not really a big issue as well because this aluminium is water resistant also. So on top of the super matte kitchen set that we've seen earlier, over here we have our UE gloss kitchen, which is also one of our best sellers because of its very unique glossy surface and also how minimalist it looks. But what I really want to show here is the live kitchen that we have in our Puchong showroom. So all of the appliances that you see here are what we sell, those on display. And the main feature is that our customers who come over here, when they're having a discussion or something, we can actually prepare coffee for them while they wait or during the discussion. And we can also show you how our appliances function, all the way from the oven to the hood and the hob itself. And at the same time, sometimes they just want to see how our sink and tap function. So here we have some of our bestseller products on display also, with our pull-out extendable spout and then also our granite kitchen sink.
So 这个 project 它是在 Puchong， 它的 requirement 很简单，它是要一个 dry kitchen， 一个 island， 还有一个 wet kitchen。它的地方不大，主要去抓3个重点哦。第一个是要大气一点 ，OK， 然后第2个要实用，然后第3个呢就是要好看。我们尽量在每一个角落都去给出它那一个空间哦。For example， 就是 L corner， 我们就那个 corner 的地方通常是人家会去忽略的地方。所以我们会在那里 implement 那个 basket，OK， 然后 for upper part 的话 wall cabinet， 我们就会也是利用那个 corner 的地方让它来去有更多的收纳。dry kitchen 的话，因为它不要 microwave 和 oven 是 facing 大门的，对，所以我们就做了一点 trick， 然后我们把那个 microwave 和 oven 移上旁边一点，对，所以 in a way 就屋主是可以接受的。
One of the kitchen design that I was tasked to do is to provide a lot of storage, but for a tight spaces. We need to first understand what the client preferences, lifestyle and requirements for her kitchen, and then from there we want to make the kitchen compartment for each compartment serve their own purposes. She is overall satisfied with the quality of the Signature Kitchen, especially the workmanship and also the cabinet quality. And for what I'm proud of, I am glad that I can, from the first stage until the last stage, the project can run smoothly.
So if you're in the area and you're interested in our signature products and services, do drop by to our showroom and we have a cup of coffee ready for you. So I hope to see you again in the future. All right.